Hey everybody, this is Brian at Two Indians. Stop it. And I just wanted to touch base with you guys and tell you what's coming up. It has been a very busy week for me professionally, and so I haven't had a lot of time to work on videos, but I do have a couple videos in the works right now that we're getting ready to put out. And we're also in the planning and implementation stages of a pretty big trip that we're going to do, that we're heading out west to get a lot of video and a lot of footage. We're going to have some fantastic videos coming out very soon of riding, travel, entertainment, fun. It's going to be a blast. So anyway, here, check out a little bit of this, and this is what's coming and what's in store for you.
They were hoping to connect this bridge to State Road.
Because it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
That looks awesome, doesn't it? Anyway, we're going to give you some updates as time goes on, but stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Do me a favor and please subscribe to the channel, like and comment down below if you don't mind. It really helps us out so we can gauge how well we're doing. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we will talk to you soon.